Hi, I'm Claudia, and today we're going to be making spring rolls. We're going to cook them in the oven, and this way it'll be a little bit healthier. And we're going to be making a savory option and a sweet option. So what we'll need this spring roll pastries that look like this. You can find them everywhere, in every supermarket, some of the corner shops as well, in the frozen section. We're going to need 100 grams of cooked chopped vermicelli, rice vermicelli. The quantities aren't that important. It's really more about what you like more, but this is what we are going to use. And we've got 100 grams of grated carrot. We've got some coriander. We've got around another 100 grams of cabbage, any cabbage, Chinese cabbage, green cabbage, you can use whatever you've got. We've got 2 spring onions, 1 crushed garlic, and finely chopped ginger. And then for a sauce, for flavors, we've got sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, a little bit of butter for brushing the sheets of spring rolls, and then we've got Chinese 5 spice, about half a teaspoon. And for the sweet ones, we're going to be using bananas and sugar with cinnamon. Okay, let's start. First thing, we're going to turn on the oven at 200 degrees. And this recipe is super simple. All we have to do is mix all our ingredients together and then fill our pastries. So now we're going to fill our pastries. Make sure you only take them out of the back head as you use them, because they dry really, really quickly. So we've got our pastry here. Make sure you brush it over the whole pastry, because we're not going to fry them. They still need a bit of the fat in the oven to crunch up. From here, we are going to turn it like this into a diamond shape. Place a bit of the mix sort of from the middle down a bit. Then roll the corner over the mix. Fold in one side. Fold in the other side towards the middle, and then continue rolling from here. And that is our first spring roll. Perfect, so let's get on to our sweet spring rolls for dessert. Same thing, use the butter, oil or margarine, brush it. And we're going to use our sugar and cinnamon mix. Sprinkle a little bit over it, just a thin layer. And this really, you can do what you like, same with the savory. Any flavors count. I'm going to do banana and cinnamon. You could do apple and raisins. You go in like this, fold in from the side. So you always want to make sure that they are closed on the sides. And like that, and there you go. Because this one has a bit more pastry, I'm going to do a little bit more butter on it just to make sure it's nice and crunchy. And that's it, it's that simple. All we have to do now is put them on a tray and in the oven, 200 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until you see that they're crunchy. Depending on your oven, you might have to maybe turn them halfway, but in most ovens it's not necessary. Perfect, into the oven. Excellent, and about 15-20 minutes later, we've left them 20 minutes. If you like them nice and crunchy and golden, maybe 20 minutes better than 15. Here they are.